Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking sizzling tofu with salted fish. So let's start cooking. Now we're going to shallow fry our egg tofu using medium heat. Make sure that oil is hot. How do we know that the oil is hot enough? Now using a bamboo chopstick, just put it in. If you see bubbles rising up rapidly like this, that means the oil is hot enough. 400 grams of egg tofu, cut into slices like this. Make sure you pat them dry a little bit, and then we'll just slide it into the oil. Do not move them. Let the outer crust develop first. This will take maybe 1 or 2, 3 minutes. Important thing is just to have a look at the outer crust. It's got to be a light golden brown. Now make sure the tofu don't stick together. Just gently move them a little bit. Now you don't have to coat any flour on the tofu. Just pat them dry will do. If your oil is smoking too much, just reduce the heat a little bit. I'll be cooking this for about a minute or so. Now we just turn it over and have a look. Right, if it's brown like this, we just turn it over. I hope you can see this. Right, like this, we'll turn it over. Gently turn them over. If you do not want to air fry them, you can actually air fry them. I have a video on how to air fry the egg tofu. So I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can have a look. You want the crust to form on all sides like what I'm doing over here. Right, look at how pretty the color is. I reckon about a minute or so we'll remove the tofu from the hot oil. The tofu is done when both sides are brown like this. Okay, we'll now remove it from the hot oil. Gently remove the tofu. Do not turn the heat off when you remove the tofu, otherwise the oil will be lodged into there. The reason why we are frying the tofu first is because we want it to be a little bit more firmer. The liquid will be evaporated from the tofu and thus later it can absorb the sauce much better. Now we'll do a quick fresh fry on our snow peas as well as our onion. Using the same oil as well as medium heat, we're going to add in 1 whole red onion cut into wedges like this. Try to peel them apart into petals. And also 60 grams of sweet peas. Remember to remove the spine. Alright, put everything in. Alright, this will just take less than a minute. Why are we fast frying this? Is because we want the color to remain vibrant. Something like this will be good. Okay, remove everything from the oil and I'll show you the next step after this. Using the same wok and leaving behind 2 tablespoons of oil, we are going to fry our salted fish. This salted fish is the dry type of salted fish. Wash them a few times. Make sure that you really clean out the salt outside the fish itself. This is approximately 10 grams. Cut them into small cubes like this. And using medium, low or low heat itself, we will just fry this until they are a little bit crispy. So add them in. We'll just fry them for about 2-3 minutes. You can actually feel them later with your spatula that they have actually hardened, and this is what we want, crispy. This will add a different texture to the dish. Right, don't turn up the heat too high. Slowly fry them. Release the moisture out from the salted fish. Move them around. Okay. Make sure you don't burn them. Try not to use too high a heat. This will be used to garnish the dish after it's been done. Now, if you do not have salted fish at home, you can actually replace the salted fish with dried shrimp. Of course, the flavor will be different, but it will still be as good. Once the salted fish has been browned, you can actually smell a very beautiful or pungent aroma coming out from here. This is what I want. Okay, this is almost done. Now we'll remove the salted fish as well as the oil, but leave about 1 tablespoon of oil behind. And I'll show you the next step. Using the same oil and using medium-low heat now, we'll fry another small batch of salted fish. This is approximately 5 or 6 grams. Just cut them into smaller pieces. We are going to use this to flavor our sauce. Same thing with how we do it with the salted fish just now. Remember to wash and rinse dry a few times to get rid of the excess salt. Okay, this one will be pretty fast because the oil and the pan is pretty hot. So once you put them in like this, we'll add in our minced meat. Add in 100 grams of minced pork. I did not season this. Everything in. If the heat is too high, just reduce it a little bit. Make sure you break out the pork. Alright, once you have mixed them up like this and you don't see any redness, we'll add in the other ingredients, but this will take approximately another 10 seconds, 15 seconds or so. Okay, once you don't see any redness, we'll add in our garlic. 3 cloves of garlic chopped, add everything in. 5 grams of young ginger chopped up, add it in also. Add a few dashes of white pepper. Mix them up well. We'll fry them until we can smell the beautiful fragrance from the ginger as well as the garlic. You can use medium or medium-low heat now. We need to smell the beautiful fragrance that's been released from the garlic as well as the ginger. Smelling really, really good now. We add in our water. Add in 200 milliliters of water. Add in also 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. For that beautiful dark hue, I'm adding in half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Add in about half a teaspoon of sugar. Give it a good mix. Now give the sauce a taste just to make sure that it's savory enough for us. Beautiful. We'll now add in our tofu. About 80 grams of canned sweet corn, those baby corn. Let them braise for a while first before we add in our onions and our sweet pea. I'm using medium heat right now. You can do the same too. Now we can thicken our sauce with some cornstarch solution. A little bit at a time. Thicken it to the consistency that you like, but preferably thick enough to coat the tofu so that it will be really, really tasty. Now we add the rest of our veg in. Okay. Now the dish is basically done. Okay, we just need to heat up our hot plate and place this onto our hot plate. So we turn off the flame right now. I'll be using a hot plate to serve, and I'm heating up my hot plate right now. Now, if you do not have a hot plate, you can use a smaller pan also. Heat it up until it's really smoky like this. Add in a little bit of the oil that we have used just now. Pour in 1 beaten egg. Turn off the heat, and now we add in our tofu. Once you're done with this, it'll be time for our lunch. Look at this beautiful plate of tofu. Now before we eat it, of course we need to add in our salted fish. Just spread them into here. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Oh, smells absolutely delicious. So let's try the tofu. Oh. The fragrance from the salted fish, the ginger, you get a hint of the ginger taste, the garlic, the fragrance from the egg tofu. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, yum.